Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video to go through one of these recent feature releases that just came out for Google Antigravity. I'll include the link in the description, but as you can see, it's now possible to use Google AI credits within your Google Antigravity, which is nice for people like me that constantly end up using most of, if not all of the quota. So you can see here, I've been experimenting a little bit. This is actually just from a couple prompts. I'm already down to 827 from 1000, which is what is granted per month if you're on the Pro plan. The way to enable this is to go into your anti-gravity settings. You go over to models and then you enable AI credit overages with this toggle, and then that allows you to continue using it even though you exceed your quota. So you can see here, I'm waiting a couple days for my Opus and Gemini to come back. I have a basic prompt set up in here that I'm gonna go ahead and fire off now. As you can see, the arrow does stay grayed out, which is probably a bug that I might end up submitting to Google, but you can still make it work if you hit enter. So that's gonna run, and fairly quickly it's going to update on the back end here once it actually starts doing some work. Just to give you guys an idea, so 1,000 monthly AI credits is roughly $10 when you look at how much it actually costs to recharge your AI credits, and you can get more information through here. But if I go back in here, it's going to start doing its work. I'll do another reload on the page and you can see it's going down. I'm using a very heavy model, obviously using Opus, so I expect that probably this will be the only prompt I'm able to get depending on how long it runs. And I'll probably run out of the rest of these credits, but we will see. When I was using Gemini 3.1, it was pretty much like a minute for maybe 5 to 10 credits. Again, it's going to depend on what MCP you have hooked up, what exactly you're doing in here, and the token response. So I'm going to go ahead and work through this, let it run through, and then I'll come back and let you guys know how much this single prompt actually took. Okay, and we're back. You can see it only used maybe a few hundred credits. It ran for a few minutes. It was just a simple prompt to pull in some skills and get them into my repo here so that I can work with N8N locally a little bit more easily. I will be releasing another video that talks about how to have your anti-gravity agents and whatnot build these N8N workflows directly for you without actually having to go into the GUI and click through everything. So that's the point of these skills. It can just do that with the API. I can tell it in plain language what I want it to do. It can build the N8N workflows, even test them and debug them without me ever having to really touch much. But yeah, wanted to put that out there for you guys so that you can take advantage of a little bit of extra quota per month, even though it's just 1,000 per month, but it does help to kind of get you over that hump if you're pretty close to finishing a project or whatever you're working on and you just need a little bit more. It can kind of get you in that stopgap there. So hope this is helpful, and let me know what more you guys want to see. Thanks.